A very warm malo lele to you all from the Honourable Prime Minister of Tonga, Samuela Akilis-Pohiva, the government and the people of Tonga, and may I convey herein his apologies due to national obligations. However, he does offer his best wishes to this important conference. To reiterate, Tonga continues to support the Pacific's joint efforts in tackling climate change, because together we are stronger, together our plights can be heard, and together we can push for change. And today, we the Pacific are at the presidency for COP23, and that is progress. We are on our way. So congratulations to you, Prime Minister, for taking up this crucial role and providing the Pacific with the opportunity to present our case to the world. We look forward to vigorous discussions in the next 48 hours as we work towards a fruitious outcome on an issue that is most close to our hearts. To conclude, I wish to thank the Prime Minister of Fiji, the government and the people for this forum, as well as your warm, distinctive Fijian hospitality since my arrival. May the good Lord bless this meeting and all of you. Leve leva e malanga, kau tatau atu. Malo.